Industrial Automation and Robotics is a new program for us. The reason that it came about is I work with a lot of manufacturers in the area, and I get phone calls weekly from manufacturers looking for employees or looking for students. We have 100% placement. We don't have to worry about where students are going to go after they leave here.
My long-term goals is to continue working at the company I'm at and become an automation engineer. And I plan on going to Plymouth State University to get my bachelor's degree next year. It feels good to know I'm on a set path with a career. I don't have to worry about trying to find a job after because I'm already setting myself up with opportunities.
After a student graduates from here, they can go work right in industry in the field as a process technician, automation technician, or we have an articulation with Plymouth State.
The overall experience here has been pretty great. It's just a really nice community. I love learning what I'm learning, so it's a good day every time I'm here.